What's up, everybody? Welcome to Money Moves. Today I will be going over trend lines. So, trend lines are used to identify a trend and find your resistance and support levels. So, we're just going to be going over SPY. Just by looking at it, I already see an upwards trend line here going up. Here we see every time it touches, it comes down. So, for my trend lines, I like 3 taps or more. Trend line right here. Boom, boom. Broke it, but came back, respected it. Came to the top, bounced back down. So in the future, it can either bounce off of here, try to go back up to the upwards trend line, or break it and find new support. Go over to a different stock, just so you guys can get the idea. This is Apple. Let me delete what I already have. Come on. There we go. Alright. So for Apple, I see an upwards trend line right about here. See another one right here. There we go. So every time it touches this, I would play it to the downside, or if it breaks through, it'll come back and retest. Nice support right here. 1, 2, 3 taps. 4 right here. It might break through, but this is a nice trend line that Apple will like to bounce off of. Alright, let's look at one more here. Let's go to Microsoft. Alright, for Microsoft, I see a nice little trend line here. So if you can't find a trend line, don't force it. 1, 2, 3. So this will more likely in the future come back and tap this trend line. There's an upwards trend line here, but only 2 taps for me. It's a no-go, but in the future it could play around this range. Alright guys, those are trend lines. They're really helpful for long-term trading and investing. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if there's any subject you guys want to go over.